Hey folks, John with Baker Boy here. I want to share a product. Our number one selling item that we make here at Baker Boy is our 4x4 inch square croissant. It's a 36 lamination croissant dough. It's fully baked and sliced and ready to be pulled apart and made into sandwiches. An item that a lot of my delis, a lot of bakeries, a lot of caterers love. Go ahead and, the first thing I do is, of course, put your mayo on the bread. It's a lot easier to put it together that way. It's a lot easier to eat, keeps the product from sliding apart. Go ahead and put your 2 cheeses on there, just like that. I put my tomato. I also do the bacon if you want to have a bacon turkey club. Go ahead and we'll put our turkey there and our lettuce. And there we go. Go ahead and put the croissant square together. We have it all ready. Set it on your plate. And I go ahead and I like to cut the product at an angle just to kind of make sure that it looks really nice and then that your people can enjoy. And if you have any questions, go ahead and please contact us at bakerboy.com.